Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Dr. Asi Explains. This is Dr. Asi, and today's topic is 7 tips for digital note taking especially using iPad and iPad app such as GoodNotes uh, app in the iPad. So let's get started. So taking good notes, very, very important because effective note taking in class, especially in class, um, and using them after the class helps student success and increase active listening. And reviewing and studying them also helps, especially in STEM areas, which biology specifically, so we will be covering in this video. So first step is there are several note-taking strategies like outlining, lecture slides, concept maps, flow charts, and others. So one of the things to start with is note taking with your own words. That makes it actually very, very useful using abbreviations, symbols. So you don't need to take down every single word. So, and also you don't need to write the full word. So you can use symbols like equals, not equals, example like e.g. example. Sub, instead of writing whole thing like biology, just write bio, or intro instead for introduction, con for concentration, chem for chemistry, and abbreviations for and, versus, because, at all, and arrows like leads to, or decrease, a down arrow or up arrow, increase, or equal sign, equivalent, or greater sign, bigger than, or smaller than, or at sign, or approximate sign. Using this, or using apostrophes, like don't write the full word, but use actually write just only the first syllabus of the word, with or without, or year, or page, and there's a long list of abbreviations and symbols actually you can use. So one application is obviously for digital note taking. There are several, but one is called GoodNotes, and there is a version 5, which is actually free to download. They use for 3 notebooks. That will be a good app to start with. You can actually download the app and then click and open the app and create a new notebook. And there are several actually options to create a new notebook. Choose a title, like in this case, Dr. Asi Notebook 23. Create a notebook, add pages, and you can swipe to turn page, customize page settings, and then save and sync your notebook to the cloud, a cloud app, which basically you can also share and export as PDF or some other different formats. There are many things you can actually add to your notebook. You can voice record questions while you actually taking notes. You can screen recording using screen recording tools. You can add more depth to your notes, like draw shapes, and then GoodNotes will help you to actually draw a better shape. You can annotate your notes with more details, change colors, use selection tool, and then undo. And many others, and you can actually say it saves itself. GoodNotes automatically saves your journal as you work, but you can also export it after you complete your notebook and share using the share icon. So again, GoodNote is a good digital note-taking app, GoodNotes, and good note-taking is definitely helps with student success. So using notes to make you can actually make study guides. You can make connections between different concepts, preview your text or reading assignments, and then basically keep organized to help you actually to find information, and you can search and find things in your GoodNotes notebook, and it's always with you. You can use it during the note taking in the class, jot down keywords, dates, names, etc., record questions, take visual, clear, conscious, organized, structured notes. And we can be consistent and make several of these notebooks for different courses or lab courses you might be taking during the semester. So there are again different notebook formats you can pick, and you can also use such as flowcharts or concept maps to connect things and change the colors in these concepts or concept maps or life cycles, and to actually make them easier to study. So you can consider GoodNotes 5 app as a digital note-taking app for your iPad. And next semester when you start actually taking courses. And again, good note taking will help you with your student success. And just to recap, we basically cover how can you start with digital note taking versus paper notebooks, which basically and using iPad app, namely GoodNotes. So thanks for watching, and please feel free to comment, subscribe to the channel, and see you on next video. Happy studying.